claim of good over evil. Hello everyone and welcome back to Centurion TV. We are the team Centurion, and first of all, I, Bhavya Agrawal, wishing you all a very happy Ram Navami on behalf of Team CPS. May this Ram Navami brings a lots of happiness and prosperity in your life. And today, the students of CPS will be recalling about the divine path of Lord Rama. So, don't scroll up and stay tuned till the end of the video. जंगल में गूंजा रघुकुल नाम, सीता को बचाने आए राम। धनुष उठाया, रुद्र रूप दिखाया, लंका का सारा घमंड मिटाया। विनय के साथ पर क्रोध में आग, दे दी लंका को धर्म की शाप। भक्ति प्रेम और मर्यादा के धाम, सच में महान है हमारे प्रभु श्री राम। सीता को बचाने तो नहीं पर युग युग को दिशा दिखाने आए थे प्रयाग। जिनका नाम लेते ही माथे से भय मिट जाए, वही है प्रभु श्री राम। आज भी कोई अन्याय करता है तो मन पुकारता है श्री राम, क्योंकि वो राजा नहीं थे, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ राजा नहीं थे, वो थे युगों युगों तक चलने वाले धर्म का नाम। राम का जन्म हर साल नहीं होता, राम तब जन्म लेते हैं जब सच्चाई बुराई का सामना कर जीत हासिल करती है। राम एक नाम नहीं, एक एहसास है। हर उस इंसान में जो सच्चाई के लिए लड़ता है, हर उस बेटी में जो सीता की तरह अग्नि परीक्षा देती है, और हर उस भाई में जो लक्ष्मण की तरह बंधनों से निपटकर अपने भाई का साथ देता है। राम एक नाम या भगवान नहीं है, राम एक परंपरा है जो हमें संसार में जीना सिखाता है। आज इस रामनवमी पर मेरी आप सबसे यही विनती है कि हम राम की दी गई आज्ञा का पालन करें और एक खुशहाल जीवन जिए। धन्यवाद। Ram Navami is a festival celebrated in India since a long years ago, celebrated as the birth of Lord Ram. The Lord Ram is the avatar of Lord Vishnu. This festival is celebrated as the unity of people in India, inspire a lot of people in long days ago. This festival is celebrated as the victory of light over darkness. A lot of people celebrate this festival in India with great joy and happiness.
As Jignesh has already said about the significance of Ram Navami, I will say that on this sacred day, let's promise ourselves that we will end our inner darkness and try to make a very positive and peaceful environment all the time.
रामं राजं जगन्नाथं भक्ताभीष्ट प्रदायकं सीतापति धनुर्धरा नमामि रघुनंदनम। भारत में सरयू नदी के किनारे बसे अयोध्या नगरी, जिसके परम प्रतापी राजा थे महाराज दशरथ, जिन्हीं के पुत्र थे भगवान श्री रामचंद्र, जिनको भगवान विष्णु का 7वां अवतार भी माना जाता है, जिनके नाम से हम सब आज यह पावन त्योहार राम नवमी का भी पालन करते हैं। भगवान श्री राम को सब मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम के नाम से भी जानते हैं। भगवान श्री राम अपने वचन से कभी पीछे नहीं हटते थे, वे अपने वचन का सदैव पालन करते थे। इसी कारणवश अपने माता के दिए वचन का मान रखने के लिए वो 14 वर्ष के लिए वनवास भी भोगे थे। वो अच्छे पुत्र के साथ साथ अच्छे शासक भी थे। अपनी प्रजा की खुशी के लिए उन्होंने माता सीता को भी त्याग दिया था। माता सीता को तक त्याग दिया था। आज रामनवमी के इस पावन अवसर पर हम उनकी आराधना करते हैं, जो मर्यादा, धर्म और सत्य के प्रतीक हैं। राजा राम का जीवन हमें सिखाता है कि कठिन से भी कठिन परिस्थिति में हमें धैर्य, सत्य और धर्म का कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। जय श्री राम।
The lesson we got from Sri Ram is that power and stature should not lead to arrogance. Despite being a king, Sri Ram remained simple and humble all the time.
Tradition, Ram, known as the 7th avatar of Vishnu, known for his strength, wisdom and divine nature. Kaikeyi reminds the king Dashrath, making a honor. She asked to king by sending Ram for 14 years of exile. Ram upheld his father's decision and making it easier by saying he will leave the palace and go to forest. Ram referred as the embodied justice and moral kingship, and in Hindu tradition, Ram known as a moral conduct.
Vanvas really reflects duty and obedience, as Sri Ram accepts his exile without any complaint, giving us a lesson that we should always obey and follow and respect our elders.
The Ayodhya dispute was centered on the Babri Mosque built in 1528 to 1529 under the Mughal Emperor Babur and said to be built on the top of Hindu temple that is stood to be the birthplace of Lord Rama. Lord Rama life teaches us the value of duty, respect and devotion. On this holy day, let us remember the idol and try to be follow the path that Lord Rama followed.
The lesson we got from Sri Ram is that power and status should not lead to arrogance. Despite being a king, Sri Ram always remains simple and humble to everyone.
Ram, the name that echoes across centuries, Maryada Purushottam, the ideal son, the perfect king, but above all, the hope of Ayodhya. Are we ready to welcome him back? Not just with lights or chants of celebration, but back into our action, back into our life, back into truth, courage, sacrifice, and dharma.
Ayodhya, yes, Ram Rajya, a land of fairness, happiness, and harmony. Here, a leader serves selflessly and ensures justice for all.
According to the development of Homo sapiens, eras are divided into 4 types: Ice Age, Stone Age, Iron Age, and Bronze Age, and we can also add today's world. So you might be thinking that this is a video about Ram Navami. So why am I telling about the eras? So dear audience, actually the horse and chariots were made 1000 years ago, and also Ramji was born exactly 1036 years ago. That can say that Ramji actually had chariots and horse back then. This can prove that Ramayana was not a mythological story but an actual event that happened in our history. Dear audience, I am not able to prove something to you, but I can say we cannot call ourselves the devotee of Lord Rama by just worshipping him. We can call ourselves the true devotee of Lord Rama by being an idol self of ourselves. As Rama was an idol husband, an idol man, an idol king, an idol father, and an idol son. So let's take a promise to each other in this Ram Navami that we will be the best self of us. And that was it for today. And if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and press the notification bell for more such notifications. Thank you and Jai Shri Ram.